Are you ready to turn your business idea into a reality? Then you need a solid business plan. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to create an effective business plan that sets you up for success. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your business. Start by clearly describing your business idea, its purpose, and the industry you'll be operating in. Understand your target market, and identify your unique selling points. Step 2. Conduct market research. Gather data on your competitors, market trends, and customer preferences. Understand your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This will help you make informed decisions and position yourself in the market. Step 3. Outline your products or services. Detail what you'll be offering, how it solves a customer's problem, and what sets it apart from competitors. Define your pricing strategy, and outline any intellectual property or patents you have. Step 4. Develop a marketing and sales strategy. Identify your target audience, and create a comprehensive marketing plan. Determine the best channels to reach your customers, and set achievable sales goals. Step 5. Create an organizational structure. Define the roles and responsibilities of your team members. Outline the management structure and any outside support you may need. Step 6. Craft a financial plan. Determine your startup costs, projected revenue, and expenses. Create a budget, cash flow statement, and financial projections. Remember to include contingency plans for unexpected events. Step 7. Prepare an executive summary. Summarize the key points of your business plan in a concise and compelling way. This is often the first thing investors or lenders will read, so make it impactful. By following these steps, you will have a comprehensive business plan that acts as your roadmap to success. Remember, a business plan is a living document. Revisit and update it regularly as your business evolves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable business tips and guides.